Meet the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential, a smart way to keep your home comfortable while saving energy. Control your temperature from anywhere with the Ecobee app for effortless comfort every day. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential, a backplate, a power extender kit, a trim plate, and screws with anchors, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Installation. Begin by turning off power to the HVAC system at the circuit breaker to ensure safe working conditions. Remove the existing thermostat from the wall, note the wire connections, label each wire if needed, and take a clear photo for reference before disconnecting them. Check your HVAC system's compatibility with the thermostat using Ecobee's online compatibility tool, then remove the old mounting plate. Feed the wires through the center of the new Ecobee backplate, level it, mark the mounting holes, drill pilot holes if required, insert the wall anchors, and secure the backplate with the supplied screws. Insert each wire into its corresponding terminal, ensuring each connection is secure and the wires are neatly tucked into the wall cavity to prevent interference. Finally, snap the thermostat onto the backplate, restore power at the circuit breaker, and complete the on-screen setup to configure your thermostat and verify proper system operation. Smart features? Automatically learns and follows your daily routine to heat or cool your home at the right times. It helps maintain comfort while reducing unnecessary energy use and lowering heating and cooling costs. Control your home's temperature from anywhere using the Ecobee mobile app on your smartphone. Adjust settings, change schedules, and monitor your HVAC system even when you're away from home. Keeps the fan running briefly after each heating or cooling cycle to circulate the remaining conditioned air. This improves airflow, maximizes system efficiency, and helps maintain a more even indoor temperature. Track your heating and cooling usage with detailed energy reports available in the Ecobee app. Review your energy trends to identify savings opportunities and improve your home's efficiency. Features a bright, responsive color display for quick and easy temperature adjustments. Navigate settings, schedules, and system controls with a simple tap for an intuitive user experience. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. See you in the next one.